Now, we just got back from our trip and we thought it would be fun to capture memories on these disposable cameras. So let's go see what we got. We enjoyed the last taste of summer during our first few days outside of Calgary, where we stayed at Casa Spur. We got to hang out with Zach and Julie and the family for a few days before the main event. During those few days, Zach asked me if I could help him with his drone. So I did. And then I crashed into the quarry. He forgave me though. Shows your muscles. Nice. Willis, what is that? It was so great to spend Thanksgiving out here with our friends. They put on such a great spread. After that, we had to move on and head to our next destination. We packed up, hit the road, and headed west. We went to our favorite place in Alberta, the mountains. I'm in Alberta now, and literally everything is the most insanely beautiful thing I've ever seen. Like, how am I just here right now? I'm just here. Where are you? We hopped on the Banff gondola to the top of Sulphur Mountain to see the stunning views of the Rocky Mountains. Naturally, we took a few photos. Now down below, we visited Lake Minnewanka, which is stunning on a normal day. But today was different. The whole reason we came to Alberta in the first place was to celebrate our friend's wedding. It was such an incredible wedding. I've never even been to a wedding like that ever. From the intimate ceremony on the mountainside to the rehearsal dinner at the bowling alley, you guys rock. This was so much fun. Congrats. With the taste for adventure still on our buds, we hit the road again.
In 300 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
We heard there's a spot nearby that has a good view. The view above Peyto Lake was insane. Wow. It was like living inside of a Canadian postcard. Now on the way back down, we trekked to go see some glacial waterfalls. This was a lot of fun. This was a ton of fun, but it's time to slide back to Casa Spur.
Fuck my lung.
Wait, what is it?
Smelling salts.
And what does it do?
Well, look at his eyes.
Fucks you up. I don't know.
Does it get you high?
No.
What does it do?
Take a video and find out.
Oh, that was good.
That was a good one.
Woo, yeah, that was a good one.
Your turn.
It's going. I'm so nervous. What's in it? I didn't even know what it looks like. All right, smelling salts. I want to see if I can get like a good hit. I'll do like a warm up. Oh my god.
Why would you do a warm up?
I'm scared.
Go!
Sniff?
Dude, it looked like you did it 4 times in a row.
I held my breath, but then I wanted to take like a big whiff. For our last couple of days, we spent some time in Calgary and took the family to the zoo. And on our very last night, we went for a fancy dinner at the top of the Calgary Tower. This was a really cool experience. And sometimes I'm just so inspired that I try to take a selfie and forget that it's actually a video. Anyways. Here's some more photos.